Hi guys, welcome to the first video of my channel. In this video, we'll see how to make ultimate peanut butter chocolate chip cookies made from whole wheat, crispy on the outside and chewy inside, and for a bonus, somewhat healthy too. So let's dive right into it. Firstly, I'll show you how to make peanut butter chocolate fillings. Take some chocolate in a bowl and melt it, either in a microwave or a double boiler. But guys, do not microwave the chocolate at high settings or temperature as it will burn the chocolate. Add equal portion of peanut butter in it and mix it gently. Afterwards, freeze it either directly and scoop out chunks of it, or create small dumplings on a tray when still melted and then freeze it. Take a bowl and toss in half a cup of softened salted butter. Add half a cup of peanut butter into it as well. It will make the cookie more chewy. Now add 1 cup of sugar. Now whisk it thoroughly. It serves two purposes. First, it incorporates air into the dough or batter, which helps the cookie dough rise a bit and makes it light. Second, it dissolves the sugar into the butter. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and mix it. Now take another utensil and place a sieve on top of it. Add 2 cups of whole wheat flour or atta. Add in half a teaspoon baking soda and 1 teaspoon baking powder. Now sift it. Sifting the flour makes it even and also adds some air in the mixture. Mix the wet and dry ingredients slowly and gradually. Simultaneously, stir the ingredients to mix them. Pour in some milk, 1 teaspoon at a time, and combine it until large chunks of dough are formed. Milk acts as a binder that holds the dough together. I personally like cookies to be a bit crumbly, so I'm going to stop a little before that. Now is the time to add some chocolate. You can even use chocolate chips, but I prefer somewhat bigger chunks of chocolate in cookies. Now gently fold them and bind the dough together. Now take a portion of it, press it, and place a chunk of chocolate filling inside it that we prepared earlier. Cover it up and form a cookie-like structure. Now these cookies are going to go in the oven preheated at 180 degrees for 13 to 16 minutes. You can also use kadai or cooker. Just bake at medium flame for 5 minutes and then at low flame for 15 to 20 minutes. Look at how they have turned out, exactly how I wanted them to. Crispy, chewy, and decadently delicious. So friends, if you like my video, give it a thumbs up, share it, do subscribe it, and hit the bell icon. And guys, if you have any suggestions, post them in the comment section right below.